This particular sink is a 1.5 bowl ceramic inset sink or sit-on sink. So this can be used with any type of worktop, laminate worktop, solid worktop. It has its own built-in drainer, very easy to keep clean, very hard wearing. They also come in stainless steel and granite as well. Now this one is the biggest sink that we sell. It's a double Belfast sink. It's made of ceramic fire clay, really easy to keep clean, and you've got a lot of space in it as well. It's really on trend at the moment. It's on our new Chester kitchen. It looks really good with this gold tap as well. It needs to be a solid surface worktop you use it with because the worktop's cut out. If you don't have a solid worktop, you can get water ingress in it. This is my favourite type of sink. This particular one is made of granite and also do them in ceramic as well. So you can see how these are different. You don't have the drainer attached to them. So sinks get mounted underneath the worktop. It needs to be a solid worktop. You can't use a laminate. Granite and quartz are fine. And then we etch the drainer into the worktop. So it gives you this illusion of a lot more worktop space. This is a large stainless steel undermount sink. What I especially like about this one is it comes with some accessories. You've got some stainless steel pan supports, which are really handy when you're filling your water up. And I especially like this tap. It's got your hose on the bottom. Very, very easy when you're trying to clean things out. I just want to show you this last type of sink. Now it only comes in Corian, so you can't have it in any other type of worktop, but it's completely seamless. You do it in a single bowl and a 1.5 bowl. It's got stainless steel on the bottom, so it's really hard wearing, and it's completely seamless with drainer grooves as well.